One of my favorite things to do on the serger is a narrow rolled hem. I do it on all my scarves, my knit tops, things like that. This is with a variated thread. The only thing I have to do is to change the settings on the serger. So I start by putting the needle in the up position, lifting the presser foot, and I'm just going to trim out this thread. We're only going to use 3 threads, meaning we're getting rid of the left needle. So I'm going to pull that out a little bit, and then I just remove that left needle. All you have to do is unscrew it and put that, tighten the screw back up. You don't want that to fall out while you're serging. The next thing I'll do is I need to change the tensions. We're not using the left needle, so we can leave it alone. This one, we're going to up it to 5, which is 1 increase. This one, I'm changing from 4 to 5. And the lower looper, I'm changing from 4 all the way up to 7. So those are the settings for the tension. The next thing we need to do is to change the stitch length. And I'm going to turn this all the way down. It's kind of nice. There's an R for rolled hem. I will do nothing to the differential feed. And then I will come over here, and there's just 2 more settings. This is the stitch width. This controls how wide the knife is and how wide the stitch is. You're going to roll this back all the way till it says R. So R and R for rolled hem. Then the last thing you need to do is a little tricky. Make sure your needle is in the up position. And there's what they call a stitch finger. You're going to take the stitch finger and just gently pull it out. And there's actually a place right in here that you can store this if you want to. I'm just going to take it out for now. But that's your stitch finger, and you should be good to go for a rolled hem. So let's just test it. Grab a piece of fabric, put this down, and remember all of this chain stitch, be sure to leave a long chain stitch. I'm just testing the stitch just to make sure. It looks like it's stitching all right, but let's just compare. Now, it is a good idea to do this stitch on whatever fabric you're going to be stitching on. Let me just lay this next to the silk. You can see that the stitch has a little bit of puckering right here, but then it started to even out. Let's look at the back side. It's not bad, but what I would probably do is run this through again, adjust the tensions a little bit more, and that's how simple it is to set up a rolled hem.